Hi there and welcome to my first grocery haul of 2016. We have 4 pints of whole and semi-skimmed milk, some Actimel, some Philadelphia, a pot of Greek style yoghurt, a loose broccoli, some raspberries, some cherry tomatoes and some bananas, some 12 pack of large free range eggs, 2 packs of mixed peppers, a pack of fine beans. This was actually a substitution. I wanted another kind of dwarf beans, I think, but they're the same thing. Spinach, mixed vegetable stir fry mix, a big pack of whole wheat pasta because we're getting a bit low, 4 cartons of chopped tomatoes, some of these Oats So Simple Honey and Vanilla Perfect Porridge sachets. Nick really likes these. We've got some of the pots for him as well because he likes to take those to work. They're just easier. Some whole grain blueberry wheats for me and Rosalie. Some jacket potatoes and some sweet potatoes. That's it. That's our grocery haul for this week. And that total shop came to £44 and 5p. Our meal plan for this week is honey and garlic salmon. This is a Pinterest recipe, which if you're interested in is linked on my blog, www.rosiehome.com. Chicken and spinach pasta. It's actually chicken and spinach, but I couldn't fit in spinach. On Wednesday we'll be having beef stir fry. On Thursday we'll be having burgers, normally with a poached egg on top and Mediterranean vegetables. On Friday we'll probably have steak and chips. We make our own chips and do them in the oven. On Saturday night, I think Nick's mum is back from holiday, so we'll probably go around there to see her for dinner. And on Sunday, we'll have a roast. So that's what we'll be eating this week. I hope that's inspired you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.